Hi, I'm Joe May, Senior Technical Trainer for Graco's Contractor Equipment Division. Welcome to Graco Garage. Codes are a useful way for a sprayer to notify the user or the repair center of unusual conditions. On models with LED displays, the code will be displayed directly. On models without the display, you'll need to disconnect the power to the sprayer, then open the control box cover. Return power to the sprayer and locate the blinking LED. The number of blinks corresponds to the error code. For example, 3 blinks for code 3 and 5 blinks for code 5. Code 2 means that there is high pressure detected. Check for filter hose clogs and make sure that 50 feet or more of hose is being used. Code 3 means that there is an issue with the transducer. For detailed troubleshooting of a transducer, follow the link listed here. Code 5 means that the motor is locked or unable to turn. The cause of this could be electrical or physical. Refer to this link for more information. Code 6 means that the motor over temperature has been reached. Check motor ventilation on both the front and back of the motor fan. Ensure a proper extension cord is being used, having a minimum thickness of a 12 gauge. Never place anything over the motor, such as a drop cloth, plastic bag, or a box. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials like this one, subscribe to the Graco Garage YouTube channel and visit one of the links listed here.